Hello, good morning from Kaham. Welcome back to my channel. Norway ang face-to-face kok sa ya baloka. For so many reasons, hingga tini ang Norway ni bus kang five many reason hingga actually for very good reason. Among ka coronavirus hingga ang kabang request mangka coronavirus niti update sana bagay hingga Abon bagani kisama sahamani by now no jotono saimang India bo salayo jotono coronavirus nte so ang asik basic ko thanglia hingke tabo chini ang tongmani o America ni New Jersey state ni situation nang wesi deal khai I mean share khai ni narbai just an overview narok saimang kana January beginning of January was kana ka je China ni Wuhan ni kaisa province or mani state or coronavirus I don't know epicenter I don't know starting ni hingga abun pore bongnar kabang borok thekya hingga suffer khaikya including doctor rok bo thekya hingga among ka highly that easily no spread ngo narok saiman na jamo borok sneezing ro khaiman bisingte cough khaiman bisingte je haijuk mani cough ni bisingte abo salolayo hingga borok haijuk angke abo droplet no taseng abo nabar bai khalai abo nang baksa ka surface mane table lo gana hangke table lo fan toroka germ abo ka virus hingga aba dogla mo fana kasai tongka aba lift je elevator go fan na kan kaing di borok thangpuru a table lo fan tangri jaka hingke ba doglam ni a handle fan rom jaka gam tikhebo ngi mano hingke abo norok jotono saiman nahni kha khayo hingke abon pore soikya aboni gana gini neighboring country bo soloka neighboring country bo South Korea rogo belek affected ngkha hingke Thailand rog ngkha hingke at the same time borok bo quarantine যেমন isolation bui bai mix khaya bui separate ke tonnani measures naman bisingte bor control on to faikya kitabo ongoing je crisis hingke to jeng saimana Italy bo belai ka borok thitongkha hingke America bongkha as of today tini morning ni je update hingke borok 200 borok thikya America bo hingke more than 1000 borok infected hingke New Jersey, New York to state emergency rika hingke ani husband to New York ko khaimani borok last week ni simi no nog ni simi samung khanin ni borok order rika hingke New York hingke to kaisa busiest city in the world hingke haipana tao borok nogo no bisi tongbayo remotely no bisi samung khai tongo hingke ani hospital bo visitor restriction khalarika hingke starting last week ni simina jeng kisa remotely samung khainen try khaikya hingke ang Skype rok bai patient rok no naihoga ani to ang ani kaisa good news hingke ang hospital ni bisingo admission nangjak je jeng je inpatient hinta jaga ke hingke outpatient mane jeng outdoor hini himani India bo angke most of the time ani duty hingke outdoor ni mano outdoor by sing inpatient building separate hasal abun bagyo ani kisa aro benefit mane added benefit ni ang hani mano angko aro disease ro ganang ro asuk phaite ya hingke special ani specialty to narok saiman na neuro psychiatrist hingke ajago asuk infection gana ro asuk sakpani ni কম chance tongo ni abon bagno comparatively ani risk kisa kom fear bonorok saima kana few weeks ago I guess before okay March ni first week je 7 or 8 to ang hospital bisingo ba ang duty khaikya waise isu ang weekend rogo khayo hingke amon kisa hingke mia seng kaisa information mangkha chini hospital lo masa patient coronavirus positive sokpekya ne hingke also America wo cheng tam khai tong bai ke hospital ni je workers rok kabangma jaga bo borok no bisi infecting nan chance tongo especially emergency department ro khaine nurse theng doctor theng tai kabangma borok to first patient pake emergency tin niseng to mahabo mane patient rok to awon bagino hingke aborong bagino special measures manna jakha hingke facial mask rok ko chung nogo bo mask ton iri ribo ke mask rok unnecessary jate waste khayate abon stock no payang na bagai hinke hospital ni bagi no bisi priority abon bagi no general public no hinke asa mask ingyasa ruk ingyasa ta thuk di ni shaga hinke hospital stock khalai advance stock e matanga mask gloves hinke tai face ni just shield khai je positive jarang to mo khanya bagai hinke chini hospital kaisa separately kaisa tent haike temporary areas lamka abo camping hai ni mana ajaga wo je positive jarang na alga ke tona bagai hinke ajaga wo je non essential elective surgery rok jemon surgery abo nasing manai jat operation rok no hinke postpone khaikya hingai baksa patient rok ani jemon orto appointment memang go ani patient baksa haina ni musung jagya rok no hinke sing electronically computer by no refill no medicine prescription ro horo kamti rok hai khalai sing social distancing khanya ni try kai tongo ge ang oro jaga sana musung je kaham ko kaisa American hinga jaga kaisa bui sai re kahangkai order government theke government ro order na sakang oroni expertise ro by medical expertise ro by kok salai no announce khayo hanke public ro wa bon sincerely follow khayo ke khayo India bo mahaken khaya ne nei hinke ani background no basa sai mena ani public health ro khai which is you know coronavirus to kaisa global public health crisis amno epidemiology rok na anga yu polimani hinga epidemiology belani important amba saimi ake some treatment bo khaimi ya epidemiology hinga tam khai sa study khayo the virus bacteria no characteristic borok bopti environment of banchi bopti hai busuk din ro infection last khai am tin character che pura bini study che khai mani am no no epidemiology ke epidemiological study ta phan soli tong kho to virus katal ba corona ni family coronavirus ni family ke tong mane agini simina kintu all strain ke different katal hanke abon ni epidemiology ni tabung ni sa mo tong ke 2 weeks boi by separate ke tong kang ke je expose jak especially je boro China ro verify kya ba affected area verify kya ba boro tong nai rong ni close contact of can get 2 weeks quarantine nam na ma ke ma ton ne inka jaga unfortunately chini state ni kaise family ro gathering like ro boro infected nka family reunion ngai inke kabang ma boro family member no kabang ma boro thekya inke just from single family it's very horrible and sad story inke abon ang sana mo chung tripran borok no coronavirus abo kubui se real amako rumor ya the second inke angoro kisa ang disturb mo jaka khanawai tripura rogo especially India o kabangma borok kabangma sak sak no claim khayo baksa ke ba urine cow ni urine rog nang la yo ni khanawa baksa inke ba different alternative pias ni onion ni juice ginger garlic juice tam rock lemon juice rock ne ang no go internet rock claim kai mani but don't get carried away take it seriously belai kiri na bunaya at the same time belai kiri abang na naya just keep up nge kisa distance hai tondi buiro haju ka hanga nge je haju na ro kholobi khasik di tai yeah hand wash all the time hand wash khai di nge abun pore hingai je borok nijina sak na sore hime suspect khai ke bobo onko khai ma tonai ni sak sak na hasa ke sing ton hand sanitizer di ton sab samino small size inke bag ti ton di mongkai big size ni nogo ton di hingai different nang sore hime kaf rok kha kaf de iko surgical mask to man thogar bo abur di mo use and throw gam khai di hinke hospital ni staff rok bagi hinke to N95 abo mask abo ebo no tam sana better quality de healthcare provider rong bagi mantogo ke tai tam sana ang asa kolok salia take care stay healthy and be happy ke amuto ta world crisis choli tongo America ni kabama supermarket rogo chamung rok especially daily needs money rok onko toilet paper rok ke am the hand sanitizer ke chamung milk tit abrok paithanga gawan bagi taisa restock khai tanglayo ke chung ga gini simi na potential nungma bagi chin na sing advance ke samung ton ma bagi um आवास problem samung problem ya ko gai ban kisa dry mani rok jeman dal potato rice amti rok na stock ke tong ke kisa crisis rok ni bo na supply jeman tripura bo to on big state rok ni sapai mai hangke bezal food rok nong ka hangke chao ta ang bo na tu tong ma hangke jeng kisa photo iko mo hai pura supermarket o angkong thangka empty kun kari awo chini aroni no okay the high situation in ka okay but things are going better now. I guess everyone is alert and necessary precaution nai tongo angke amon munang sana musungo je baksa ke sawa mo chuprago mo political perspective baksa ke mo hai heno angke I don't know about that arang tong ya bagi fear coronavirus angke abo real no soli tongo abo pandemic ni meaning no buji kana abo kaisa jagang liya kabang ma jaga soli thangka world ni different part o abon bagin tabo coronavirus no pandemic heno angke khakayo kisa video ni bising tang ani je feedback by input rimang kana ne inge kaham ke tonglai di inge ulang next video sai kinaranai sini first aid tam ke tonanang tin logi ro tam medical emergency mani ta anang ne ini asena